Did you ever have a curiosity about pizza? This food became a norm in 21st century. But little did we know that pizza had an origins back to Greek civilization. And do you know that in 2012, the largest pizza ever made was prepared in Rome? This video will dive down to those unique facts about pizza. Origins in ancient civilizations. While pizza as we know it originated in Italy, its concept can be traced back to ancient civilizations. These civilizations are like the Greeks, Egyptians, and Romans who baked flatbreads with various toppings. The first pizzeria. The world's first pizzeria, Antica Pizzeria Portalba, opened in Naples, Italy, in 1830. It still operates today and is a popular tourist destination. Margherita Pizza's royal connection. The famous Margherita Pizza was created in 1889 by chef Raffaele Esposito to honor Queen Margherita of Savoy. The pizza's toppings, tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil represent the colors of the Italian flag. World War II influence. Pizza became popular in the United States after World War II. Returning soldiers who had been stationed in Italy brought back a taste for the dish, contributing to its popularity. The largest pizza ever made. The largest pizza ever made was prepared in Rome in 2012. It had a surface area of 1,261.65 square meters, 13,580.28 square feet. It was named Ottavia, in homage to the first Roman Emperor Octavian Augustus. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press notification. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.